Merigar East, a sanctuary of harmony and growth. Nestled by the Romanian seaside, Merigar East is a place where nature and Dzogchen teachings coexist. Once barren land, it has blossomed into a green sanctuary through initiatives like the Oasis Project, planting trees and cultivating thriving plants, embodying harmony with the environment. Here, visitors can connect with nature, recharge, and find peace. Each year, locally crafted lungta, prayer flags carrying blessings, are empowered and hung, spreading benefits to all sentient beings. As we prepare for Merigar East 20th anniversary in 2026, we invite you to help us restore and transform the Gar, bringing it back to its former glory. Your support is crucial as we work towards this milestone celebration. We are also seeking new members for the Ganchil, Gecko, and Karma Yogis to contribute to this shared effort. In May 2022, to address damage caused by years of exposure to humidity and strong wind near the Black Sea, a skilled local crew, coordinated by our Gecko, began essential repairs on the Gonpa. They insulated the building's walls to protect it from rising ground humidity, repaired damaged sections, and applied fresh silicate plaster to the facade, while ensuring the building's durability for years to come. That summer, 6 talented artists from the dynamic space of the elements, accompanied by volunteers from all over Europe, came together to transform the Gompa's exterior and ceiling. Guided by the expertise of Mimaterin, they restored the original outer decorations, reproducing traditional Buddhist motifs, mantras, and floral designs, while introducing new elements, such as lily-inspired symbols on the pillars, which added fresh life and color to the building. With scaffolding in place by the third week, they took on an ambitious new challenge, painting the ceiling, a feature that had never been decorated before. This addition was a surprising and transformative moment for the Gonpa, marking a new chapter in its history. The renovation didn't stop at the exterior and ceiling. Volunteers even repainted the central outdoor mandala, creating a beautiful space for the Vajra dance. Looking ahead, the next phase of this project will take place this year, from July 25th to August 15th, when new ceiling murals will be added, including the Song of the Vajra. This is your opportunity to contribute to something extraordinary, whether by volunteering, donating, or spreading the word. You can help bring this vision to life. Join us and be a part of creating a lasting legacy. Merigar East thrives on community energy. Whether it's planting trees, crafting lungta, or working on the Gonpa, there's always a way to get involved. Spend time in a peaceful setting by the sea while making a meaningful impact. Volunteers are always welcome and become a part of our growing story. Let's make 2025 a year to remember.